In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Twilio Subaccount. Whether you need to clean up unused accounts or restructure your account hierarchy, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process effortlessly. Let's get started by ensuring you're logged in to your main or parent Twilio account. You can do this by heading over to the Twilio website. Simply type in the URL https://www.twilio.com/console into your favorite web browser. It's important to double-check that you're accessing the correct account since the sub-account you wish to delete is linked to your main one. Once you're successfully logged in, the next step is to navigate to the admin panel. Here's how you do it. Start by locating the menu option labeled Admin. From there, head over to Account Management, and finally to Sub-Accounts. This path will take you directly to the Sub-Account Management section of your admin console. Alternatively, if you're in a hurry or prefer using direct links, you can visit https://console.twilio.com admin/subaccounts, and it will take you directly to the same place. Now that you're in the right section, the next task is to locate the specific subaccount you want to delete. You'll see a list of all your subaccounts on this page. It might help to know the exact name of the subaccount you're looking to delete to make this process quicker. If you manage many subaccounts, utilizing any search or filtering tools that Twilio offers can be super handy to narrow down your options. Once you've found the subaccount that's no longer needed, click on its name. This will open the settings page for that particular subaccount. Each subaccount has its own distinct settings page, allowing you to modify or, in this case, delete it entirely. Now, you're getting closer to the end. You'll need to scroll down to the bottom of the general settings page. Here, you'll find an option labeled Close Subaccount, which will be clearly marked with a red button. Clicking this button formally initiates the subaccount closure process. It's worth mentioning here that this step is crucial. Once you close a subaccount, any services or communications associated with this subaccount might be impacted or terminated. Upon clicking Close Subaccount, you'll be prompted to confirm your decision. Twilio, like most platforms, ensures you really mean to proceed with such a permanent action. Take a moment to review and make sure you've selected the correct account for closure. And there you have it. Once you confirm, the subaccount will be permanently deleted. Remember, deleting a subaccount cannot be undone, so double-check everything before finalizing the process. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any other questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Have a great day.